Hey, what's up guys? Adam at Time Warp here. I'm going to follow the directions on the back of this LiME LiNE Metal Flake packet. So I'm going to start by pouring off some black base coat and mixing it 1-to-1 with some urethane reducer to make it sprayable. I'm going to mix up a pint of clear coat at a 4-to-1 ratio with the hardener that's provided. 1 packet of LiME LiNE is pre-measured to mix with 1 pint of clear coat, so we'll just mix in the whole packet. Lock on our 1.4 spray gun, and we're ready to go. I'm going to mix up some more clear coat without metal flake, and I'm going to keep spraying to smooth out the texture. All of the paint and the materials that I used is available on the Amazon link down in the description. Check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about custom paint. Thanks for watching.